Bitcoin price holds steady as Ethereum ETF nears altcoin season. Around the corner, Bitcoin is hovering above $107,000. But make no mistake, the calm you see right now could explode into a full-blown altcoin season. Ethereum is coiling before the ETF verdict, and whales are making big moves under the surface. This could be the week that sets up the entire summer. Bitcoin is currently trading around $107,300, holding firm in the face of minor volatility. In the last 24 hours, BTC has stayed within a narrow range of $106,515 to $107,884, signaling a period of consolidation as the market waits on key macroeconomic and ETF-driven catalysts. Meanwhile, Ethereum is up slightly at $2,438, setting up for a possible breakout ahead of the highly anticipated Ethereum ETF approval. Technical patterns show Ethereum is respecting support at $2,400 and is pushing toward the 2,460 resistance. Market participants believe a confirmed Ethereum spot ETF could trigger a new institutional rally toward $3,000. Let's not forget Solana. Trading at $143.53, SOL has emerged as a favorite for developers and retail alike. If SOL can push above the 146 resistance level, analysts expect momentum toward 155. With multiple Solana ecosystem projects launching this week, all eyes are on whether Solana can lead the charge during the next altcoin rotation. XRP, despite legal and regulatory headwinds, has managed to remain steady at $2.10. While the price action has cooled, the XRP ledger continues to see increased development activity and whale accumulation. The resistance at $2.14 is being tested frequently, and a breakout could take XRP to $2.28 in the short term. 1. Macro market outlook. U.S. equities are opening flat today, but eyes are glued to the non-farm payrolls data and CPI numbers set to drop later this week. If inflation prints softer than expected, it could act as a green light for risk-on assets, including crypto. At the same time, bond yields have slightly retreated, suggesting markets are beginning to price in potential Fed rate cuts by year-end. If this narrative holds, Bitcoin could retest $110,000, and altcoins could see a 20 to 30% surge across the board. 2. Ethereum ETF buzz builds. The crypto world is laser-focused on the pending Ethereum spot ETF approval. While the SEC has been silent so far, multiple asset managers including BlackRock, VanEck, and Fidelity have submitted final S-1 forms. This suggests a green light is imminent. Industry insiders project approval could come in late July or early August, and if that happens, ETH could double within weeks, just as Bitcoin did post-ETF. Ethereum dominance has risen from 17% to nearly 19% in the last month, a strong indicator of renewed confidence from institutional traders. Third altcoin season trigger points. Crypto investors are asking, is altcoin season here yet? According to the Altcoin Season Index, we're not there yet. But we're close. The triggers to watch. Bitcoin dominance falling below 53%, Ethereum outperforming BTC for 10 consecutive days, top 50 altcoins beating Bitcoin over 90 days. If those hit, you'll see coins like Solana, XRP, Avalanche, and Cardano explode in price. Right now, smart money is positioning. Whale behavior and on-chain signals. On-chain analysis from Whale Alert and CryptoQuant reveals the following. Bitcoin whales added 22,000 BTC in the last 7 days. Ethereum staking continues to rise, now locking up 26% of total supply. Solana network activity has jumped 18% in the past week. XRP whale addresses with over 10 million tokens are increasing holdings. All of this signals accumulation, not distribution. 5. Meme coins and DeFi moves. Doge pumped 20% overnight after Elon Musk tweeted an image of a space-suited Shiba Inu. XYZ Verse, a rising meme coin, claims to offer 40,000% potential gains. Over $14 million has poured in during the pre-sale phase. As Ethereum gas fees drop and DeFi protocols relaunch, high-risk tokens could see explosive upside. The crypto market is in a holding pattern, but not for long. Ethereum ETF news, macro triggers, and whale movements are all pointing toward an explosive second half of the week. Altcoin season is knocking at the door. If you're watching the charts, now is the time to prep, like and follow, and we will see you at the top.